What's going on, guys, and welcome to this special episode of the Dark Lab. So today I got a very special guest. We got somebody from across the pond, all the way from Liverpool. He works for Killer Inc., one of our biggest distributors. They distribute all over the world. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Liam here today with us.
Hey, guys.
So Liam is kind of my counterpart over there. He does the product reviews. So why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself, about Killer, and what is it that you do over there exactly?
So, yeah, I've been with Killer Inc. for about 9 years now.
Awesome.
9 years, yeah. And, originally started off small roles and just worked my way up.
So like me, I started in the warehouse, and next thing you know, I was doing videos.
Cool, right, yeah. So, yeah, started from there, worked my way up, worked in sales, and moved into the sort of like servicing department. And from there, that's when we decided to do product videos.
Awesome.
And they needed a candidate.
So you're loving it or what?
Oh, I'm loving it.
Because I love it. I mean, when I support the product, I just really love what I do, you know?
Exactly.
It's amazing.
That's it.
Cool, man. So guys, I have Liam here today because Killer Inc. is actually, he came here to train with us how to repair machines. So Killer Inc. is actually our first certified repair center. So we're kind of trying to make this customer service for repairs a little bit better, a little bit quicker for you guys. We know that this is how you guys eat, so you need your machines. So anybody that buys from Killer, that used to send their machines to Killer and they used to send it to us, now they're gonna have Liam, so he'll be there to be able to repair your machines and get them out to you really quick. So I got a question for you, Liam. So I know I've seen some of your videos and their unboxing and their reviews, so you know the outs of all these machines. Now you know a little bit of the ins of our machine, how it works. So what do you think now that you know both sides?
I mean, I've always had like a high level of appreciation for the FK irons and Spectre range.
Awesome.
Knowing the insides and knowing the amount of detail and the care that gets put into them, it just brings it to like a whole higher level.
And we make these machines to be workhorses. We tell people not to touch them, not to put lubricant, not to put none of that. You're looking at the inside. It's, I mean, not coming from me that I'm biased. Is that what it looks like? Correct?
Yeah.
So there you go, guys. I mean, when we tell you don't lubricate, you know? That is something that could mess up your motor, void your warranty. He's learning that little by little. So yeah, guys, like I said, we got Killer Inc. is in the building. He's going to be here for the next couple of weeks, learning the ins of the machines. Like I said, anybody around the world, soon enough, we may have other distributors come in and we may train other people, so we can make this whole customer service again a little bit better for the client. What do you think about that? Because I know you have to, like I know, we know that the artists make their money with those machines. So you know, they would have to send their machine to you. You guys would send it to us. We would send it to you. You would send it to them. We're knocking that all out of the park now.
Yeah, so that's great. So it just means a quicker turnaround time, which means that you're going to get your tools of the trade back a lot quicker. So to me, that's a win-win.
There it is, man. We're trying to do whatever we can, make your life better. Liam, any words you want to say? How do you like sunny South Florida? You got anything to say to the people out there?
I love it. Yeah, absolutely love it here. Because, I mean, the weather right now, put it this way, guys back in the UK, this is like a UK summer. So
they're probably a little jealous of you right now.
Shorts and t-shirt every day. Don't be too jealous.
Nice. So there you got it, guys. You guys follow Killer Inc., one of our biggest distributors all over the world. Keep following us, and we're just working to make your guys' lives better. Zeke, Liam, we're taking off. Peace, guys.